Hello everyone, this is Sadale McCall with Today on Social, and I just wanted to show you a little bit on how to use Tailwind's hashtag finder to get more and better hashtags for your Instagram posts. The first thing you want to do is add your image. This particular topic that I'm going to be speaking on is actually around YouTube and a new tool they have for educators. So I'll pull this image. And right away, when the draft pops up, you can see a couple things in the hashtag finder. The first is a few hashtags from posts that I have done before. So I talk about social media. So naturally, there's some social media and content marketing hashtags. And then you have this key. Orange hashtags are competitive ones. The light green, which are these ones you can see, are good hashtags, and then the best ones are actually going to be dark green. So one way to check on how Tailwind is figuring that out, you can hover over each hashtag. So you'll see content strategy gets about 75,000 posts, content marketing is around 1 million, and social media helps around 21,000, which is really good. Another thing you'll notice is as you start to type, the hashtag finder will change based on the words that you have in your post. So you can either do it after you're done writing your caption, or you can even start to add hashtags as you get going. So I'll write a couple more just to get closer to what I'm going to talk about in the caption. And so again, you can kind of see some of these competitive hashtags here. So you see education actually has about 10 million posts, and social media about 11 million. So right away, you can start to figure out if you have a huge following, maybe those hashtags are fine. But if not, then maybe you need to think about how the hashtags are going to work for you. So I will add digital marketing because that's something I'll be talking about. And then whenever you put a hashtag, you'll also start to get additional suggestions based on the hashtags you pick. So right now we have a dark green one for marketing, so I will put that one in, a dark green one for marketing strategy. And then after you get a few hashtags in and Tailwind really figures out what you're talking about, it starts to get a little easier to add hashtags. I also talk for solopreneurs and startups, so I'll add a couple there. And then if you find a list of hashtags that you don't like this one, you can actually go up here and hit the shuffle to shuffle out new hashtags. So now that I kind of have my list going, I'll continue to add some hashtags based on both what I'm talking about, but also the people I'm talking to. So I talk to startups, entrepreneurs, women business owners, and then I talk all about how to do social media marketing. So I will continue to add those sorts of hashtags. Okay, so as you can see from the counter here, I am nearing the 30 hashtag mark. And the last thing I'll show you is that once you have a set of hashtags that you like, you can actually save this list by clicking hashtag lists. and creating a hashtag. You see I already have a few for a few of the topics that I talk about. So this one I can do education, marketing. And then you can actually copy the hashtags from the caption that you just set up. You want to take out, of course, the caption itself, but now you not only have a list for this particular post, but you also have a list for future posts. And so now, as long as that looks good to you with your image, you can schedule your post for the smart scheduler for Tailwind. I am a huge fan of Tailwind, and I think this is a complete game changer for that platform. And so I'm really excited to show you this along with the post. If you are not on the blog itself, head over to todayonsocial.com and you can see that I've written a blog post to go along with this video tutorial. But that's all for now from Today with Today on Social. I will see you guys in the next video.